Hey guys, this package is what I got from Black Ops. You ready to see it? You want to see it? All right, let's do this. That's my knife that I bought from Amazon. Oh, wait. I know you like this. No, what? Wait. Uh, 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 uh. I know you guys like this noise. Watch. That crispy sound. So this is the gun that I bought from Amazon. It's called the Black Ops something, whatever. As you see, it looks pretty cool, right? It's all metal. Yeah, it's all metal from what I can tell right now. Looks pretty nice. I couldn't open it my first try. And then I went to the back because there's a bubble, so I thought that's where you're supposed to cut it. And then after struggling, after a few minutes of struggling, I finally decided to cut it, and boom, there it is. It feels kind of heavy for a BB gun, that's for sure. Or it's not too heavy, but it's just like the right amount. Ding, ding, ding. Yep, still metal. Here I am, just messing around, pulling the trigger. I couldn't open the place to put the BB, so I grabbed the instructions like a real man does, right? Read the instructions. Also, I couldn't open this by myself either, so I had to use my knife. Do not operate this air gun until you have read the owner's manual. I threw that away because I'm a man, you know? I don't need to read any of that. There's the instructions. Still metal. Yes, still metal. And boom! Finally got it open after reading the instructions. Yes, I know. Ooh, looks fancy. They look like real bullets, huh? There's 6 of them. And the top piece, it's not metal, it's like kind of rubber. And then there's Black Ops, obviously. There's a hole so the CO2 gas can go through. Yep, like I said, it's not metal, it's like rubber at the end. And at the very top, that's where you put your pellets. There I am putting the hole. What do you call that? Is that where you hold the BBs? No, but how do you call it? I don't know what you call it, but yeah. And then here I am trying to see how to pull the thing off, or the grip off, to put the CO2 gas in. There we go. And that's where you put the CO2 gas. Almost broke it. The grip honestly is kind of cheap, so I recommend buying a better one, because it comes, when you're shooting it, it's all loose, it's all faulty, it's like doesn't feel nice. And then there's the sights. Also, you can add attachments to it. You can add a flashlight, you can add a scope, laser, whatever. I know you're not supposed to look at the gun like that, but I just wanted to see. And then there's more instructions, more whatever. It feels nice. It feels like metal. And safety. Finally got it to safety. And then, oh, open it again. Yep. So yeah, that's the BB gun. All metal. It looks really nice. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. And that's it. Thank you.